Hey everyone, I want to welcome you all back to my channel. This is Mr. Corp 289 here. I'm doing a third follow-up video on my MagicMiner FM01. Someone in a previous video did ask what was the real-world profitability for this unit. Now, I have not actually switched this over to a pool miner yet. I'm going to do that with you guys here today. But I also wanted to go ahead and show you on mineshop.eu because I do have a referral link and a discount code for this site. The discount code is going to save you 100 euros on anything that is over 600 euros. Right now, I do have everything set in USD, so that way you can see what it is for here in North America, where I reside. But please keep in mind, I do have a discount code that'll save you 100 euros. Right now, we are coming into the holiday season. There are some great stocking stuffers on this site. If you're interested, please use my referral link and to get some of these stocking stuffers, like for instance, the Nerd QX++, or even the Hydro, the Nano 3s. Any of these other smaller miners would actually be fantastic stocking stuffers. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and click on the MagicMiner FM01 home ASIC miner, which is on mineshop.eu. And this is what it looks like right here. I do like their website because they do give you a calculator for profitability. And as you can see right now, it is showing in euro. So I'm going to change this over to USD, which then will allow us to see what it'll be like for us here in North America. Please keep in mind that this calculator does say 5 cents per kilowatt hour. Probably most places are going to be looking roughly about 20 cents per kilowatt hour. So you would actually take a little bit longer to go ahead and try to recoup your money. But I'm going to switch over here in a minute. I'm going to go through some of the different pools available for SHA-256, and we're going to pick a pool on there together, and then I'll go ahead and get it set up for you guys. I'll also show you guys the unit itself one more time when we switch over, or before we switch over. I want to show you what the actual hash rate and everything else is like that on the unit itself. So for now, what we see here is it'll take roughly 200 days. So before we jump into the picking the pool, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a real-time hash rate right now. So as you can see, right now it's pulling at 33.63 terahash. Average is 31 terahash, and it's been running for roughly about 2 weeks consistently with no issues. I am going to be switching off of this solo pool. As you can see here, it's jellyfish.com. That is a solo pool that another YouTuber named Brandon Coin and his team set up. And it's great because it allows for the smaller miners to go ahead and be recognized on pools. But for right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the different Bitcoin pools that are available. And let's go ahead and just pick one. I don't want to pick one that's going to be really, really high as far as the amount of hash that's on there, because I want to go ahead and try to decentralize some of the hash rate. 30 terahash plus or minus 5% isn't really going to break the bank. But I mean, I have used F2 pool prior. I've used via BTC as well. I want to go ahead and probably use, let's see here. And obviously in the comment section, if you guys tell me what pool you want to see me use, please feel free to. But for right now, I want to go ahead, and I think what I really want to do, and you guys might not agree with this because there's been all kinds of stuff going on in the past with it, but NiceHash does seem like it's going to be a good pool for me to go ahead and switch over to. And if I'm not mistaken, I might have already saved my NiceHash in here. I did. So unfortunately, there is no way to move these pools up any. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it up here. And then we're going to do this, and I'm going to paste it back down here just in case I decide I want to go ahead and pool or solo mining with this unit again. So we'll go ahead and hit submit. You're going to see right here, it does say configuration successful, restart, yes. So now it's going to reboot, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my camera, and I'm going to go over there. I'm going to walk you guys through the reboot procedure. Also, while we're here, I do want to go ahead and go back to the dashboard. so that way we can see what it looks like when it does come back online. All right, everyone. So here I am on my other device on my camera showing you the actual MagicMiner FM01 right here. If you guys remember in the previous video, I had it sitting underneath this table here. Turns out that was not a good idea because I did have some issues with this thing initially due to lack of airflow around it. So I did have to relocate it up on top of this table. And right now it is going through its reboot procedure. So as you can see right here, it is going to go ahead and show us all of our values right here. Once it switches back over to our standard settings, you should be able to see everything in English. Right there you go. You can see we're in normal mode right now. It has not officially ramped up because if you look right here, it is still showing that we are running at a low watt. But here in a second, it does take roughly 5 to 10 minutes for this guy to start running properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes and I'll check back and show you guys what it starts showing on there as far as the watts that it's going to be pulling. All right, everyone. So I want to go ahead and show this to you guys. It is starting to ramp up right now. As you can see, the watts are going up. It's still going to take a little bit of time for the terahash to show up on here, but I don't know if you guys can hear it. The fans just kicked on high speed right now, so that means that she's getting ready to start running. So we're going to let this watt stabilize. It seems like it's roughly right around 1200 watts, between 1000 and 1200 watts on a regular basis. Also remember that what we're seeing right now is going to fluctuate until it gets established on the pool itself. So we are currently mining to a pool. As you can see, the watts are going up, and you'll see here it's not showing really much of anything as of right now, but on right here you'll see there's not much of anything going on right now, but here in a minute you guys will see it on the computer there. So I'll see you guys in a second. So I just got done showing you guys on my camera the unit was ramping up. It still hasn't updated on here as of yet because it's still going through its initial phases. While it's doing this, I do want to go ahead and show you guys the current state of the market right now. As of right now on November 24th, roughly just after lunchtime, we are sitting at 87,000 for Bitcoin. What do you guys think is going to be going on with the market going forward from here? Do you think that we're still getting ready to head into the bull market, or do you think we're out of the bull market? What are your thoughts? I know my thoughts on the crypto environment, especially when it comes to the bull market versus the bear market. I do have a feeling that Bitcoin will probably drop lower one more time before it has its major big upswing. Once again, please take into consideration that I am not an expert at crypto trading. I do like the idea of mining. I like the fact that I can help decentralize these different blockchains, which help make everything more stable. But when it comes to pricing and stuff like that, I am definitely not a trader. But my gut is telling me that we could potentially see another drop, a huge drastic amount, but I think it'll be one more drop before it actually does spike to its real all-time high. And then hopefully from that point, it stays pretty stationary up at that level. So let's take a look back at our MagicMiner. So right now it is starting to ramp up, as you can see here. We are roughly 30 terahash, give or take 5%, and it's going to fluctuate for a little bit until everything starts to stabilize down. But here you can see our power usage. Inside the GUI, it says we're pulling 1,001 watts. On the wall plug that I have here, it does say 1,104 watts, and it is showing roughly 30 terahash on the front of the unit as well. So, question for you guys is, what do you guys think of this unit? Let me know in the comments down below, what are your thoughts on the crypto market in general? I know that we've seen some turbulent times here this last bull run, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. I have a feeling that there's still a lot of upward momentum going to be coming to all these different coins that are in the market itself. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything that I say is my own opinion. But I do believe that everything is cyclical and it will go ahead and rebound and jump up pretty substantially um, hopefully before the end of the year is what I'm hoping for. Anyways, this video was only supposed to be a little follow-up. I will give you guys another update on this as far as what I've earned um, on NiceHash over the next week or so. So in a week from today, I will go ahead and post another update. As long as everything is running fine with my Wi-Fi here, where I have my unit set, I'll be able to give you guys a real world view. And I will be using it on NiceHash for the time being. And I'm using the SHA-256 boost function. So for anyone who is going to run a Bitcoin miner on NiceHash, if it is a bigger one, you can always switch it over to the SHA-256 boost, which is supposed to help with all of that. I did also this morning switch over my 3 of 4 small Bitcoin miners, my BitX Gamma, as well as my 2 Canon Avalon Nanos, the 3S and the 3, to Solo CK Pool. So let's go. Let's see if I can be one of those lucky few um, that does get one of those solo blocks. I don't know if you guys saw the news here recently, but there was another BitX Gamma that hit a solo block on solockpool.org. And I'm just switched all my stuff over there. Hopefully I can be one of those lucky few that hits one of those solo blocks. All right, in the meantime, I'm going to go and let you guys go for today. I will be sending an update on the Gold Shell AE box that I recently got from Jingle Mining. I did have an issue with that a couple times this past week, so I'm going to go ahead. I'll give you guys an update on that in a separate video. But in the meantime, if you guys are interested in any kind of cryptocurrency miner, please click on the referral link in the description below. For mineshop.eu, you will get €100 off of any purchase of €600 or more. Right now it's the holiday season. This is the best time to try to go ahead and fill those stockings with something really cool. I know I've got some friends and family that I'm looking at trying to get some of these little solo miners for, just to sit there and help decentralize the network. So with all that being said, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about this video. Tell me your honest opinion on the crypto market itself. And in 1 week's time, I will go ahead and post an update of the profitability on NiceHash. After that, if you guys want to see it, I might switch over to a different pool to see if I can get more. I did, when I logged into Hive OS the other day, they do have a Bitcoin pool as well, and I'm considering switching over to that because they are talking about higher profitability. So I do want to go ahead and toy around with a couple different pools. So this week we're going to do NiceHash. Next week I will try to do the Hive OS mining pool. And then in the comments down below, you guys give me a third pool you guys want to see me do some testing on, and I'll be happy to go ahead and do that for you guys as well. So once again, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a great rest of your day.